problem. This thing, all the bolts stripped out. They're all stripped. And as I was coming up the hill, they just all fell apart. You can see it. Look at these things. So, Loctite. And brand new grade 8 bolts. Now there's a possibility that these holes there are stripped out too, those threads, but I don't have a thread chaser with me. But on the left side here, there's more holes for these screws to go in, but they're the wrong size. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take one, because I got 9 holes and 10, so I'm going to sacrifice one, and I'm just going to literally screw it in and bring it out and clean up the threads in each one, and then slowly put this thing back and slowly put this gear back. But yeah, that's my project for this morning, man. See how it goes. Hey, you know what I should do? I should go ahead and block this, just set it down, turn this thing off, and that way I can work on this. So let me do that. I'm gonna do a part two. Right now, I'm just gonna let you see what I'm up against. Hey, good morning. This is what I'm up against this morning, man. The machine broke the other day. I thought I had it fixed, but it's obviously been stripped out for a long time, and it just finally gave way. So I'm gonna get at this, and since I can't do time-lapse video, I'm not gonna bore you with the whole procedure. I know it sounds like a lot of fun to watch some mechanics, but I'm just not prepared to set up for that. But anyway, that's my project, is fixing this thing. I'll talk to you later on part 2 when I get it fixed.